How to make Deathstep. Let's start with a kick. A really hit snare or a pan snare. Cymbals. Crash sample. Now a very distorted bass. You can use Serum or any other VST, disperser, OTT and wave shaper. Another line of bass using 3 at the same time. A lead or synth. Some samples to fill empty space. Sidechain, in my case I like to use the gain parameter. Some vocals. A small drums pre-drop. Let's check. You can download this FLP on Patreon. Also, check my Deathstep sample pack on my website. All links on description. Thanks for watching.